Hey tech fans, welcome back to Bestly. Today, we're diving into the 5 best faucet water filters 2025. From game-changing features to standout performance, these are the must-have products you need to know about. Ready to see which one fits your needs? Let's jump right in. Number 5 Per Plus Horizontal Faucet. The PUR Plus horizontal faucet mount water filtration system with a 3-in-1 lead-reducing filter is a game-changer for anyone seeking clean, safe, and great-tasting water straight from their tap. This sleek device attaches easily to most standard faucets, offering an immediate upgrade to water quality without the need for bulky pitchers or complex plumbing installations. The 3-in-1 filter is particularly noteworthy for its ability to reduce lead, an essential feature for those concerned about contaminants in their drinking water. The filter also tackles other common impurities like chlorine and particulates, ensuring that every glass of water is crisp and refreshing. In terms of design, the horizontal orientation of the Per Plus system is both practical and visually unobtrusive. It blends seamlessly with kitchen decor and doesn't interfere with regular faucet use. The built-in indicator light is a thoughtful addition, conveniently reminding users when it's time to replace the filter. With its combination of advanced filtration technology and user-friendly design, the Per Plus horizontal faucet mount system stands out as an excellent investment for households aiming to enhance their water quality effortlessly. Number 4 Culligan FM25 Faucet Mount Advanced Water Filtration System. The Culligan FM25 Faucet Mount Advanced Water Filtration System offers an effective and convenient solution for improving tap water quality. Designed to attach easily to most standard faucets, this system reduces common contaminants such as chlorine, lead, and particulates, providing cleaner, better-tasting water directly from the tap. The advanced filtration technology ensures that you get up to 200 gallons of filtered water per cartridge, making it both economical and eco-friendly by reducing the need for bottled water. In terms of usability, the Culligan FM25 features a sleek, compact design that doesn't take up additional counter space and allows for easy switching between filtered and unfiltered water. Installation is straightforward, requiring no tools, and the system includes a filter life indicator to signal when it's time for a replacement. Overall, the Culligan FM25 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their water quality with minimal effort and maximum convenience. Number 3 Water Drop Water Filter for Sink Faucet. The Water Drop Water Filter for Sink Faucet offers a practical and efficient way to improve the quality of your tap water. This faucet-mounted system effectively reduces chlorine, lead, and other impurities, ensuring safer and better-tasting water for daily use. The filter provides a long service life, delivering up to 320 gallons of clean water before requiring a replacement, which makes it a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to bottled water. Designed with user convenience in mind, the water drop filter is easy to install and fits most standard faucets. Its sleek and compact design integrates seamlessly with kitchen decor, and a simple switch between filtered and unfiltered water ensures versatility for various household tasks. With its advanced filtration capabilities and user-friendly features, the Water Drop Water Filter for Sink Faucet is a valuable addition to any home looking to enhance water quality effortlessly. Number 2 Per Plus Vertical Faucet. The Per Plus Vertical Faucet Mount Water Filtration System is a reliable and efficient solution for improving tap water quality. Designed to fit vertically on most standard faucets, this system uses advanced 3-in-1 filtration technology to reduce lead, chlorine, and other contaminants, delivering cleaner, healthier, and better-tasting water. With its capacity to filter up to 100 gallons of water per cartridge, it offers a practical and economical alternative to buying bottled water. This filtration system is easy to install without the need for tools, and it features a sleek, compact design that doesn't take up additional space in your kitchen. The built-in filter change indicator is a convenient feature, helping users keep track of when it's time to replace the filter for optimal performance. Overall, the Per Plus Vertical Faucet Mount System is an excellent choice for households looking to enjoy high-quality water with minimal effort. Number 1. Brita Faucet Mount Water Filter for Sink. The Brita Faucet Mount Water Filter for Sink provides a convenient and effective way to enhance the quality of tap water. This system is designed to reduce common contaminants such as chlorine, lead, and particulates, ensuring that your drinking water is cleaner, healthier, and better tasting. With its advanced filtration technology, the Brita Faucet filter can handle up to 100 gallons of water per filter, offering a cost-effective and environmentally friendly alternative to bottled water. Installation is simple and tool-free, making it easy to attach the filter to most standard faucets. The Brita Faucet mount features a sleek, compact design that doesn't obstruct sink space and includes a handy filter indicator to let users know when it's time for a replacement. For those looking to improve their tap water quality quickly and easily, the Brita Faucet Mount Water Filter is a reliable and user-friendly option.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. If you're interested in buying any of the products we covered today, check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Let me know in the comments which one caught your eye or if you have any questions. Until next time, keep exploring the world of tech. See you in the next video?